friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Charmaine. I go by Miss Charmsy, and we are going to try out Fenty hair today. Now, I want to be able to use as many products as I can in this video, but obviously I have to pick the final styling, and I gotta pick either wash and go or, you know, a slicked look. That's kind of how I'm wearing my hair all the time these days. And so for the purpose of the video, to see the most products we can, I think it makes sense to go for a wash and go. I will start by saying that I had leftover, you know, just like an old hairstyle from doing a slicked molded look that kind of, you know, wore itself out over the days, but I like how it looked. But I did want to kind of zhuzh the front a little bit to get a little bit more time out of the hair today. So this morning I put in some of the instant damage repair treatment called the Comeback Kid. So this is described as an instant repair treatment, and so I obviously have a bleached hair. I'm not a natural pink head and so bleached hair obviously needs extra TLC, and so I thought it would be a great idea to have this kind of marinate in my hair even before I start, and that gives us an opportunity to try this while also getting to try the deep treatment. I didn't want to do too much at once because I can't weigh my hair down with fine low density hair. So first I'm going to show you everything that's in the range, and then I'll tell you what I'm going to use, because if we're being honest, you can't use everything in the range in one shot, because, you know, whether you're wash and go girly or you're going to be, you know, styling it or heat styling, you're going to need different things. Start from the top, which is going to be the shampoo and the conditioner. They are both called the Rich One Moisture Shampoo and Repair Shampoo and Moisture Repair Conditioner. They're heavy. They come in some pretty heavy duty packaging. The packaging is definitely beautiful. And if you know me, then you know I love colors. I'm very excited about the colors of the products. I think they're so pretty. But of course, that's not what matters when it comes to hair care, right? It's just a little extra exciting. Promise for these is that they're loaded with moisture to defrizz, repair, prevent damage, and split ends. So I will be using this first. Then to follow up, we have a moisture repair deep conditioner. This is called the Richer One. Of course, everything has all these really clever names that I love. I love that. Smell this one. I haven't smelled this one yet, so it comes with a protective seal, which is always nice, so you're not spilling out any of your product. You know what I like is that they're not all the same smell. Some have a little bit more of a fragrance than others, depending on what the product is. This has a more of a stronger fragrance compared to the deep treatment. The deep conditioner. So now, of course, we have the Comeback Kid that I talked about. So the order I would do is the shampoo and the conditioner. I will probably do the mask as well because, again, bleached hair. Now, I know a lot of you are like me, where you have fine low density hair. So we also have to see if this is going to be heavy for our hair. I don't know yet. We will find out. And we can kind of like, I don't really do baby hair that much, but we can try out maybe on the edges a little bit some of the Stronghold gel and the controlling type, that's the edge control. I will say this, I've heard from a lot of the curly girls online that they don't find the gel to be as strong as they need it to be for a wash and go, but that might work well for us. So maybe what I'll do, we're thinking off the top, is we will try the gel. I think I could probably use this, to be honest, with the cream for my hair type, because I don't need anything super strong anyways. With fine low density hair and short hair even more so, I don't need a whole lot of hard holding gel. Okay, so I think that gives me a good feel for how many products I can realistically use. The only one I probably won't be using right now is the 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. Most of the others I will be able to use. After my initial rambles, let's get into it. So I'm starting off with the shampoo, and my first thoughts right away is a little goes a long way. It really lathers very well, and it kind of feels thick as well. So much that I'm actually going to explain. Here's the thing with fine hair, low density hair, when you shampoo your hair and you're still feeling a little bit of slip, for me, I tend to feel a little paranoid that my hair is going to have extra residue, that it's going to, weigh down my hair. And so while I was washing it, it is so moisturizing that I thought I didn't have the product rinsed out. And then after a while, I realized like, no, it's just leaving my hair feeling really, really moisturized, which I heard from other people. But, we try so many products that sometimes I'm like, I don't know, until you try it for yourself. But it's true. Your hair feels super nourished. And for anyone with fine, low density hair, you don't need that much shampoo. The smallest bit lathers a lot. So that's going to last you a long time. Let's try the conditioner now. Feeling thick, so not going to use too much because it's always trial and error. When you have low density hair, you don't want to overdo it, right? So let's see how this goes. I gotta hop in the shower. We need more water. No, I try to be realistic and practical with you, and honestly, my hair does not feel like it needs a deep treatment after that. It feels really, really moisturized after the shampoo and conditioner, to the point that I feel like I'd be wasting product to do a deep treatment right now. So I might save that for another time where I do just shampoo and maybe deep treatment instead of doing the conditioner as well. It just feels incredibly nourished right now. It feels really good from the shampoo alone, even before any of the conditioner. So maybe that's something to make a note of. The shampoo for me is the star right now. Although we have to keep in mind that I started with the comeback kit too. Look at the curls. So part of me wants to put it back in my hair right now that I had the fresh wash, but we've already done it. So let's get into styling. So I am going to do it curly. The Home Curl. This is a curl defining cream. And you know what? I heard people say that mixing it with the gel, it doesn't mix. When they do the sample of mixing it together and seeing how it goes together. And if it clumps, they say they're not really meant to go together. Well, we're still going to try and see. So this gel could be more suited for like a slicked hair style, but because I'm going to be using so little of it, which is what I always do when I use gel on top of a styler for my hair type, I'm hoping it's not a problem. We will see. Okay, so I'm going to start with the cream, and I'm just going to rake it through my hair like I normally would. Obviously, my hair is a lot shorter now, so this is a really fast process. Again, it has a nice fragrance. It does have a fragrance. So if you're a person that does not like, products with a fragrance, you can smell it. So just keep that in mind. Like if you have allergies or anything like that, it's kind of like a perfume, a pretty perfume smell. Okay. Just telling you my honest thoughts on the smell. I'm a girl that loves edible smells. I love stuff that, is like fruity, citrusy, or, like vanilla and stuff like that. It is not that type of smell. It is more of like I think like a floral. I'm not like a fragrance girl. I don't know all the terms, but it's not an edible smell. So I'll say that. I have a bias towards edible smells, and it's not an edible smell. So by all means, beautiful. It's just not my particular, favorite kind of scent. But that is not to say I don't like the scent. But I like stuff that smells like you can eat it. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of the Stronghold gel. I am probably going to part my hair a little bit. I'll be honest, now that my hair is shorter and even more so this color, and with the roots growing in, I don't always feel that cute with it in a wash and go these days. But I think it's partly because it needs like a part or something. So doing it with this part might help me. But I'm eventually probably gonna adjust, you know, my color. I might go ginger, guys, for the fall or for the end of summer into the fall. Let me know what you guys think. You know, I've done ginger before. Okay, so yeah, I think this would be cute because then I can go, oh, I didn't show this yet. The brush. Have it like this, then I'll have an opportunity to try some of the edge control out as focus charm. So we'll put a little bit of the jelly type stronghold gel, very little. On top of the curls. Scrunch. Oh yeah, this feels like it's gonna suit my hair. It does not feel very heavy to me. And then we'll take a little bit of the edge control. It says hair thickening edge control gel. All right, so I got my edge control here, and I am not a big baby hair girl. This is the most I'll probably do. The other side a little bit. And I am still the air dry girl. So let my hair air dry, then I'll come back to show my final look. One more little scrunch. Okay, I forgot to mention, because you may have noticed, and you might have thought I had lipstick on my lip, but no, that's my son. My son, my little toddler, headbutt this morning around 6 a.m. And then I have a freckle too. So if you think I have a whole bunch of splotchy lipstick right now, not today. Although that does happen sometimes. It's my final look. You know, I had it parted, and then I thought, you know what? Just give it like the little fro. Little curly fro. Inspired by Rihanna doing the same thing for her launch. I just thought, just do that. I have to say this works very well for fine hair. I don't find it heavy. Obviously, I told you I think it's really moisturizing. Now that I have a good feel for it, I might know, you know, how much to use. I'll probably use a little bit less shampoo because a little goes a long way. I could probably use a little more of the curl cream and the gel because it's not, for me, I don't feel like it's really strong or heavy. It worked very fine on my hair. In fact, I did not do much to the back. I don't even think I applied it properly to the back, and I'll just give you a little glimpse of the back of my hair. So next time I know, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, I know I was a little bit all over the place in the beginning. Sorry, I got a little sidetracked. I got excited. So I will leave, you know, the details below. I'm sure you've already gone to the Fenty website and all of that. But let me know if you guys want to know about the pink color, because I didn't even film that. I just thought about that. I'm like, maybe I should actually share what I've been doing with the color if you like the pink. I can definitely film that and show you what I use and all that stuff. Until next time, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.